Hi everybody, welcome to week 5 and module 5. This week we're going to be looking at managing teams and conflict management. Often there is conflict when you're working with teams. So both of these are areas that we touched on briefly in the essentials class, but we'll go into more detail in this module. So we're going to take a look at chapters 9 and 10 in your textbook. And there are, again, some journal materials, a couple of articles, and a couple of videos. So if we take a look at the assignments for this week, the first is a discussion board. So here I'm going to ask you to evaluate or investigate or learn about teamwork at the Mayo Clinic. You might know, but I was surprised to find out that the Mayo Clinic has been using Teams since early on, early as 1910. So I've got an article about Mayo Clinic. There's some information in this case study about Mayo Clinic. So take a look at the different resources and answer these discussion questions about Mayo Clinic's use of Teams. Next, for the written assignment this week, sorry for the misspelling, we focused on the different conflict management styles in the essentials class, and here we're going to focus on the negotiation piece. So the chapter provides 5 steps to negotiate a higher salary. So this is all about negotiation. If you're not in a situation where you're going to be negotiating a salary, you can choose a different type of negotiation. So if you want to negotiate a raise or a bonus or a promotion, or this is a new job and you want to negotiate your starting salary, if you're going to be buying a car or a house. So this approach should be helpful in preparing for any kind of negotiation. Okay, so this is your written assignment. So here are the steps, and then use those to plan a negotiation. And then finally, the journal, and the characteristic this week is empowering and holding others accountable. I'm going to focus on Marriott and the Marriott Way as an example of an organization that says they empower people. I'll let you take a look at the video. You don't have to watch the whole thing, it's pretty long, so I've pulled out here the timestamp for the part where they're specifically talking about empowerment. So look at this example, evaluate your own organizations, and then evaluate yourself as a leader. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.